Basics of algorithm analysis. Analyzing algorithms involve thinking about how their resource requirements, the amount of time and space they use, will scale with increasing input size. We begin this chapter by talking about how to put this notion on a concrete footing, as making it concrete opens the door to a rich understanding of computational tractability. Having done this, we develop the mathematical machinery needed to talk about the way in which different functions scale with increasing input size, making precise what it means for one function to grow faster than another. We then developed running time bounds for some basic algorithms, beginning with an implementation of the Gale-Shapley algorithm from Chapter 1 and continuing to a survey of many different running times and certain characteristic types of algorithms that achieve these running times. In some cases, obtaining a good running time bound relies on the use of more sophisticated data structures, and we conclude this chapter with a very useful example of such a data structure: priority queues and their implementation using heaps. Computational tractability. A major focus of this book is to find efficient algorithms for computational problems. At this level of generality, our topic seems to encompass the whole of computer science. So, what is specific to our approach here? First, we will try to identify broad themes and design principles in the development of algorithms. We will look for paradigmatic problems and approaches that illustrate, with a minimum of irrelevant detail, the basic approaches to designing efficient algorithms. At the same time, it would be pointless to pursue these design principles in a vacuum. So, the problems and approaches we consider are drawn from fundamental issues that arise throughout computer science, and a general study of algorithms turns out to serve as a nice survey of computational ideas that arise in many areas. Another property shared by many of the problems we study is their fundamentally discrete nature. That is, like the stable matching problem, they will involve an implicit search over a large set of combinatorial possibilities. And the goal will be to efficiently find a solution that satisfies certain clearly delineated conditions. As we seek to understand the general notion of computational efficiency, we will focus primarily on efficiency in running time. We want algorithms that run quickly, but it is important that algorithms be efficient in their use of other resources as well. In particular, the amount of space or memory used by an algorithm is an issue that will also arise at a number of points in the book, and we will see techniques for reducing the amount of space needed to perform a computation.